started? Right. Number 3, it says, use the picture of the houses below to complete parts A through C, and we have house A, B, and house C. Determine the slope of each roof. So to determine the slope, we're gonna write, find slope. And we're gonna do that by rise over run or run over rise? Rise over run. Rise over run. If you have this written down, put your pencils down. Based on previous students, I know some of the goofs that you guys are gonna try to make. When you're finding the run or the rise or the slope of a roof, you're only gonna use half of it. Because we wanna know how tall it is from the edge to the tallest part. So to do that, I'm going to start at the edge of my roof. I'm going to go to the center. So I'm going to the middle. So I had to go to the right, positive, and I had to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Some of you are not paying attention. Jamarian, sit up. Once I get to the center, then I'm going to climb up, so positive, and I have to climb up through 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Do you see that I'm only using half of the roof? So which one is going to be my change in my vertical movement? The 4 or the 5? 4. And then what is the change in my horizontal movement? Which number?
5.
Get caught up. This is house A. House B, we're finding the slope. So we're gonna write find slope. And today's method that we're using is called what? Rise over run. Thank you. So to find my rise and run, I'm going to start on the edge of my roof. I'm not going to color code these this time, so you guys have to think a little bit more. And I'm going to run, or I'm going to go to the right, positive 1, 2, 3, and then I have to go up 1. To do the rise, I want to know the change in the vertical movement. So would I use 1 or 3? And then for my change in my horizontal movement, I would use 3. For house C, we are still going to find the slope. And what method am I using today? Rise over run. Do that one, please, very quickly. Okay. So what do we use for the rise?
3.
What am I going to use for the run?
3.
So if I start on the edge of my roof and I go to the middle, I have to run to the right. 1, 2, 3, and then I have to go up. 1, 2, 3. And then that will simplify to just 1. Part B, which house has the steepest roof? A, B, or C? Which one has to be, oh, so would it be helpful if we converted these to a decimal? So change 4/5 to a or decimal. What is 4/5 as a decimal? 1/3 as a decimal? Good. Repeating 3. And then 1 is just gonna be 1, right? So which house has the steepest roof? A, B, or C? C. Which roof has the flattest? Which one? A or B? Well, which one has the smaller number? B, so the flattest would be. Part C, what could we do to make house B have the same slope as house C? What could we do to house B's roof to make it to be the same as house C? Yes, Braden? Increase the rise by 2. Not only did he tell me increase and the rise, he told me exactly how much. That is a perfect answer. Increase the rise by 2. Absolutely. Go ahead and stop the video. Yes, sir.